Imagine a hill in West Java, covered in grass and coffee plants. Locals call it Gunung Padang, Mountain of Light. For centuries they said, "Don't dig too deep, the ancestors are sleeping." 2011, geologists start anyway. What they find isn't a hill. It's a pyramid. Not thousands of years old, 27,000 years old. Older than Göbekli Tepe by 15,000 years. Older than agriculture. Older than pottery. Older than anything we call civilization. Ask yourself, who builds a stepped pyramid before they even invent the wheel? And why does the ground still hum at 111 Hz? Right now? 2011, the first ground-penetrating radar slices into the hill. The screen lights up, layer after layer after layer. Not natural. Not a volcano. Perfect 90-degree angles at 9,000 BC. Then 16,000 BC. Then 27,000 BC. Carbon-14 on cement between the stones, 27,800 years old. Published 2023, reconfirmed 2025. The deepest chamber sits 120 feet below the surface, sealed. Indonesian government tries to stop the dig. Too dangerous. Or too revealing? The stones on top are andesite columns, 400 tons each, cut like Lego. No bronze tools exist that early. No copper. Just volcanic glass blades and insane patience. Core samples show man-made cement older than any known concrete on Earth. Dr. Danny Hillman, lead geologist. This is not a natural hill. It is a step pyramid built in stages over 20,000 years. 2025 paper in Archaeological Prospection. Unit 1 dates to 27,000 BP. Unit 2 to 16,000 BP. Unit 3 to 9,000 BP. Someone kept coming back, generation after generation, adding new floors. While the rest of humanity was still hunting mammoths. 2025, new resistivity scan. Under the known pyramid, 3 hidden chambers the size of football fields. Perfectly rectangular. Perfectly empty. Or perfectly sealed. Local shamans refuse to enter after sunset. They say the mountain breathes. Seismic sensors placed in 2024 recorded a constant 111 Hz pulse, the exact frequency of human awe. Knock on the megaliths, they ring like bells. The same tone. Every time. Why build the oldest pyramid on Earth on top of a hill in the middle of nowhere? Because 27,000 years ago, sea levels were 400 feet lower. Gunung Padang wasn't a hill. It was an island. The highest point for hundreds of miles. A beacon for survivors of the Younger Dryas flood. A place to restart when the world drowned. They didn't just build a pyramid. They buried 3 older ones inside it. Like Russian dolls made of stone and memory. Each generation sealing the past and adding their own floor. 2025 drone lidar stripped the vegetation, revealed perfect 15-degree terraces going down 400 feet of slope. Mathematics older than Egypt. Geometry older than Sumer. Layer 1, 9000 BC, hexagonal basalt columns, laser straight. Layer 2, 16,000 BC, andesite blocks with drilled holes, no one knows why. Layer 3, 27,000 BC, the heart chamber. Soil samples inside, 0 oxygen, 0 pollen, 0 time. Whatever is down there hasn't breathed our air in 27 millennia. 2025 excavation license expires in 100 days. After that, the hill gets reburied for conservation. Translation, hidden again. The deepest shaft is already drilled. They stopped at 120 feet. The drill bit came back warm. Not hot. Warm. Like it touched something alive. Local legend, every 12,000 years the sky burns. Survivors climb Gunung Padang and wait inside. The last time was the Younger Dryas. The next one is overdue. 111 Hz keeps pulsing. The mountain is counting down. Göbekli Tepe looked up at the stars and carved warnings. Gunung Padang looked down at the flood and built a bunker. Same people. Same memory. Different survival strategy. 2025 peer-reviewed facts. Oldest known man-made structure on Earth. Oldest known cement. Oldest known precision megalithic architecture. Built in stages over 20,000 years. Still growing until 9000 BC. All hidden under a coffee plantation no one suspected. The deepest chamber is 30 times 30 meters. Empty on radar. But the signal returns 1 second late. Exactly like Derinkuyu. Exactly like the void in Egypt. Whatever they sealed inside is still answering. Gunung Padang didn't forget the Ice Age. It waded through it. Stone doesn't rot. Memory doesn't sleep. Next time you see a hill covered in green, pause. Because sometimes the past isn't buried. It's just waiting for the water to rise again. Sleep well. The mountain is still counting.